Hi Trevor, I just want to drop you a video to show you how we can hopefully improve and streamline your ordering process using an Excel spreadsheet as an order requisition by department. Okay, so what we've got here is an Excel spreadsheet. I'll obviously let you have the template. You can adapt this for your own needs, for your school's needs. And the idea is the departments would be filling this out. They'd actually be requisitioning things in Excel rather than writing out on the order pads like they do currently. So on here, the idea, everything in yellow, is they'd be filling that in, so they can sort of go and type in who they're ordering it from. So let's go and say they're ordering it from Pearson. They can confirm the address. You can take that bit off the spreadsheet if you wanted to. Put the date of the order in on here. I've got a couple of drop downs on here. So the first drop down is for departments, and this can obviously be tailored for your school. So let's go and say it's for the art department, and underneath there we've got a drop down for the budget holder. So let's go and say that it's Miss Scarlett. All of this can be tailored for your school, obviously. Down the bottom, they would then type in the detail of what they want to order. So for the majority of orders, they're going to be sort of typing in miscellaneous on here. But for some suppliers, where you've got the supplier catalogue on your account system on E1 Finance, they could actually sort of type in the supplier's catalogue code in here, and E1 Finance would recommend it. But the majority of orders, it's probably just going to be miscellaneous. They type the description in, type in what they want to order. So let's go and say we want to order 2015 new calendar on here. We then come to the non-ledger account and objects. Well, this is kind of your domain, and they probably won't know those codes, so they can just leave that blank. They would put in the price each for the items, and then they would actually fill in whether the item is VATable or not. And we put a Y in there, and we set the spreadsheet up so they put a Y to say the item is VATable. It will return your VAT code in that field there. All they would then do, they'd fill that details in as many rows as they like on here, save it on here, and then email that in to Karen or Nettie or yourself, of course. You'll then get this, open it up in Excel, and then highlight the detail of the order on here, and just go to copy it to the computer's clipboard. Then in E1 Finance on here, you'll go and raise a new order. Let's go and raise a new order. Choose the supplier. Pearson. Then the detail of the purchase order on E1 Finance, just go and do edit, paste. And it will paste the detail of the requisition in Excel straight into here. So this is going to save you, Nettie, Karen, a lot of typing on here, because it's pasting in the description, the quantity, the code, and all you, Karen, or Nettie have to do is actually sort of go and put in the nominal code if they didn't complete it. Happy with that, you can click OK and save it. We then come on to the second part of how we can streamline the ordering process, and that's really to get the email system up and running on E1 Finance for you. It will involve you buying the email module, but it has links elsewhere on the system. So it's not just emailing purchase orders off, it will enable you to email sales invoices, remittance advices. So if you're moving to, now you've moved to BACS, you can email remittance advices off directly out of E1 Finance. You can email also the budget reports every month to all the departments using the email module. So it's useful to get that up and running, but it will need you to buy that module for E1 Finance. So to email this purchase order off from the purchase order, all we're going to do is go to the little cog, the operations button, click the little cog and click create email. It then hands over to the email system within E1 Finance. It knows the email address of the supplier. In the subject of the email, it will actually put the purchase order number. Then in the body of the email, it says, "Dear supplier, please find attached an order with the following details," and it signs the email off. On the paperclip of the purchase order, it then puts a PDF copy of the order that we've just typed in. The layout can obviously be amended for your school, put your logo in, etc. Okay, so it's got the detail of what we've just said. You wouldn't normally open that. I'm obviously just showing you all that so you know what's happening. All you would do normally is that email's created, click send and save. The system will then send that email out automatically to the supplier. So that'd be a huge time saver. That'd be a cost savings. It's not costing you postage to send out all your purchase orders on here, because they're just going out by email. I hope this helps. I'll drop the link in an email. Any queries, you know where we are. Cheers, Trevor. Bye.